Hello boys and girls, and welcome to day 3 of our Read Write Inc. for this week. Today we're going to be building a sentence, so can you make sure you have your pencil and jotter at the ready. Can anyone remind Miss Brown what sound we have been learning this week? That's right, made up of 2 letters, 1 sound. Can you shout out those 2 letters? And superb. Now Miss Brown has got a word and we are going to put it into a sentence. The sentence is, I came third in a race. Can you say that? Superb. Let's say it in a whisper voice. I came third in a race. Your turn. Superb. Let's say it really quickly this time. I came third in a race. Your turn. Superb. Let's count and see how many words are in this sentence. I came third in a race. 6 words, 1 sentence. I'd like you to write your sentence down. Keep saying over in your head the sentence and use your Fred fingers to help you sound out the words. I came third in a race. Write it down. If you've not finished your sentence, boys and girls, can you pause the video because we're going to go over it on the board. Okay, what do I need at the start of my sentence? That's right, a capital letter, I. Finger space, came, k-a-m, came. What k is it? Curly k. Now we know an A sound so far. What A sound do we know? That's right. A, may I play? A and yeah. K, A, Maisie, mountain, mountain. I came third. How many Fred fingers does this word have? What makes up the sound? That's right. T and h. Our special friend this week. And underline those special friends. And our last sound, d. I came third in. N. A. Finger space. Ace. Ace. We know the A sound again. So far we have learned A, may I play. So the first sound is A. Just like our A sound up there. Well done. And we need a full stop at the end. Well done, boys and girls. We have been able to write our sentence with the word third in it. Shall we have a look and see if we're correct? Do we have a capital letter at the start of our sentence? Give it a tick. I came third in a race. I've got my full stop. Have you spelt your word third correctly? Third. Give it a tick. Superb. You have used your sounds to help you write your sentence. Fantastic. If you'd like to go on and do more Our Words and Sentences, remember to take a photograph of all your finished work. Don't forget day 3 of your Read Write Ink books as well, practicing those speedy sounds, those red tricky words and story green words. Well done, boys and girls, and I'll see you next week for more Read Write Ink videos. Bye.